Are you an early years educator looking for ways to make your classroom activities engaging and fun? Hi, my name is Rohini Vij. I'm a professional storyteller and educator. I have been using stories in my early years classroom for years now. And guess what I add to my stories to captivate my little listeners and help them learn actively? Show me all your Music! Yes, by combining music with stories, we have a powerful tool. Join me and Liv McLennan, a Boogie Mites practitioner, for a workshop on how to enhance storytelling with music. In this workshop, we will cover songs and stories that will focus on supporting mathematical thinking, encourage a love for stories and music in children under the age of 5 through interactive musical story time. What's more, other than some fantastic hands-on tried and tested tips, you will also get access to music resources by Boogie Mites UK and story resources by NutSpace to help you get started in your journey as a music story educator. This is an online training workshop on Saturday, May 21st at 4 p.m. IST, 11:30 a.m. UK time. Storytelling and music in the early years classroom help build phonemic awareness, numeracy skills, literacy skills, language skills, social emotional skills, among many other benefits. Hurry up and sign up. Limited spots only.